Hi guys, today we're going to practice our cursive letter P. So get your packet, get your pencil, and we'll get ready to begin. So the letter P can be kind of plain or you can make it pretty simple. I'll show you what I mean. Let's look at our Wilson cursive. On our packet, it's pretty basic. On Wilson cursive, they might make it a little fancier. And then you can decide what your style is.
P is a plain line of letter. It starts on the plain line. Point to the plain line. Swing up to the skyline. Go down to the grass line. Trace up to the skyline and make a big belly.
Notice you kind of go at a slant when you come back down from the skyline to the grass line up. It's not straight up and down. It's all cursive is kind of slanted, right? From your upper right corner down to the lower left. Try it again in the air.
P is a plain line of letter. It starts on the plain line. Point to the plain line. Swing up to the skyline. Go down to the grass line. Trace up to the skyline and make a big belly.
Try it on your leg.
P is a plain line of letter. It starts on the plain line. Point to the plain line. Swing up to the skyline. Go down to the grass line. Trace up to the skyline and make a big belly.
Try it on your arm.
P is a plain line of letter. It starts on the plain line. Point to the plain line. Swing up to the skyline. Go down to the grass line. Trace up to the skyline and make a big belly.
Nice. Now let's see what it looks like on our packet. It is similar, just not quite as fancy. But you can add the fancy part if you like. See if I can get this to work. Stop sharing real quick. Make sure it's plugged in. Here we go. So the P on your workbook page or your cursive packet doesn't have the little swinging bridge that comes up. So if you want to add it, feel free. I kind of like it, so I'm going to add it. It just starts at the top, comes down at a slant, and then makes the belly. But if you want, put that dot right there, swing up, come back down, back up, make your belly, and you're done. You pick up your pencil with the capital P. Come up, down, up again into your belly. So up, down, into your belly. This is the capital P, capital P. It would be just like the lowercase p, right? Start at the grass line, come up to the airplane line, dig for some worms, retrace, make that belly, make your tail. Up, belly, tail. Up, belly, tail. Up, belly, tail. So here they have you tracing the capital P, the lowercase p, so you can do it either way. If you want to do it the way they have it, you may. We have Princeton, which is a capital because it is a proper noun. We have the words pipe and parrot. And then we have our alliteration, which reads, pretty pigs pop popcorn perfectly in Pittsburgh. So again, retrace, make sure you don't connect that P because it's not supposed to. You have to pick up your pencil, come back down to the grass line, come up, down letter R, up, down letter I, hump letter N, 2 o'clock letter C, loop letter E, up, down letter T, 2 o'clock letter O. Be careful with the O in the end. Keep that bridge up high. 1 hump, 2 humps, and a tail. Go back, cross your T, dot your I. So then We're going to write Princeton. Don't pick up your pencil once you start that I. Go back, cross your T, dot your I. Be sure to trace. Leave a space between your words. Parrot has the P, 2 o'clock letter A, up, down letter R. You have to do it twice. 2 o'clock letter O, and watch what happens with the O. Swinging bridge up high into your up, down letter T, cross your T, and you have the word parrot. I don't have time to retrace the alliteration, but you will, so make sure you do. So I'm going to go ahead and write pretty. I have 2 up, down letters, a hump letter with that Y. Don't forget the hump. And then dig for worms and make your belly. Pretty. Pigs, 2 o'clock letter G. Make sure you stop at 2 o'clock. Go back around. Make your loop. Up, down letter S. Dot your I. Leave a space between your words. Here's an O. That swinging bridge stays up high. Pop. Pop. Corn. You have another 2 o'clock letter with the O, swinging bridge into the up, down letter R, hump letter N. Perfectly. P into your loop letter E, up, down letter R, dig for worms, loop letter E, 2 o'clock letter C, hump letter Y, cross your T, in, and Pittsburgh, name of a city in Pennsylvania. So make sure you capitalize that. Now the B is tricky. It also has a swinging bridge. It's going into a U. So I'm going to keep that bridge up high, up, down letter U, up, down letter R, 2 o'clock letter G, loop letter H, and don't forget your period, cross your T's, and dot your I's. All right, everybody, enjoy. And now Paul can spell his name with the capital P, and Sunny Poe, your last name for Poe. Who else? And I don't know a Paul in our class, but that's the first name that came to my mind. All right, bye guys.